If you want to add another track in Audacity, there are two simple methods to do it. The first method is to simply drag and drop an audio file into Audacity. When you do this, you will see that the file appears as two separate waveforms. This means that it is a stereo audio file. Now, to add another track, you can drag and drop a second audio file into Audacity. This new file will appear as a separate track in the timeline. You can overlap it with your original audio or place it next to the original track depending on how you want to arrange your audio. The second method is to go to the top menu bar and click on Tracks. From there, select Add New and then choose the type of track you want. For example, if you select Stereo Track, an empty track will be created below your original audio file. However, this track will still be empty, so you will need to manually add an audio file to it. Both methods work, but dragging and dropping the file directly is the fastest and easiest way to add another track in Audacity. Thanks for watching.